Hi Mihir, thanks for attending PMP training at Armadillo Consultant. How is your overall experience with the training?
Yeah, hi. It's an absolutely fantastic experience which I had over here. It's a 3 days training program, and let me tell you, earlier when I joined this program, I thought other organizations are giving 4 days training program. Why it's only 3 days? But even 3 days, I learned so many things, and it's not about the learning or mug up the things. Here we are not getting the techniques to remembering or mug up the things, but here we are getting actual understanding about the project management, which is very much required for a long term and implement the actual practice on your projects. So definitely it's very helpful for me, and I'm sure it will helpful for you if you are planning to join such kind of training or sessions. Okay, and it was a fantastic experience. I will never forget in my life.
What kind of learnings learned here will you be able to apply in your job?
Yeah, so there are so many project aspects. Okay, so you can say whatever written in the PM book or PMI suggesting. In small projects, obviously you will not able to apply all the things, but Hari especially explain in such a manner that you can figure it out the exact area, knowledge area which you can apply in your small project, and you can get better output out of it. So the way Hari was explaining is such a nice way that you can understand, you can apply the knowledge area as and when required, even small project, large project or mega project, and you can get the output in a very positive manner.
So what kind of guidance are you getting in this training on the PMP exam perspective?
So guidance, yeah, from initially how to prepare for the exam, how to read the book, okay, how we can plan for the examination, what should be the focusing area for the examination point of view, which we can learn at the first level to ensure our base is properly built, and then we can go for the further chapter or further topics. So all those guidance is given by the Hari, and I'm sure it will helpful to me to clear the PMP examination.
When are you planning for your PMP?
Yeah, it's a good question, but frankly telling you, I have not decided the date yet. Let me clear the mock exams first. Today only I have finished the training session. I will go for the mock examinations. Based on the result of mock examination and feedback from the area, I will apply for the, but my plan is to finish it in next 3 to 4 months max.
So what kind of guidance you want to give to the PMP aspirants?
See, PMP is a very valuated certificate. Once you are a PMP certified, obviously you will have a different value in a market, and looking at that, you should go for the certification. But going for a certification doesn't mean that you will just read the book, you will just remembering the things and go for the certification. Actual PMP exam clearance, it requires understanding of the entire PMP workflow, or you can say the process. And once you have that understanding, you go for examination, clear it, and then you have a different value in a market being a project manager with PMP certification.
So what will you recommend this training for your friends or colleagues?
Yeah, obviously, why not? It's a very good training, and in fact this was the first session I believe in Pune, and they are planning more sessions. So let me check how I can nominate my friend for the upcoming trainings in Pune.
Yeah, thanks for your valuable feedback, and all the best for your exam.
Thank you.